again, welcome back everyone. If you're new, this is Pavithra Iyer, and if you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. So today I've created this purple winged eyeliner. So let's get started with the makeup. I'm starting with this NYKAA Skin Genius foundation as a base. Then I'm going to be filling my eyebrows with the powder side. So moving on, I'm using this MAYBELLINE Age Rewind Concealer as a base for my eyeshadow. Then I'm going to be setting it all with the powder. So I'm going to use this rose gold eyeshadow all over my eyelids. First I'm going to be placing it all with the flat brush. Then I'm going to blend it all with the puffing brush. So this is very simple eye makeup with pop of color. And it's very easy as well. So I'm using this LA Girl flat finish liquid lipstick as an eyeliner. First start off with normal lining, like a basic everyday eyeliner thing. Then flick your liner like this as I'm doing. Then connect it in a V shape. That's all, and fill it all in. And that's all. It's very easy, but you need a practice. Then I'm making it thick and making sure my liner is straight. And once I'm happy with the way my liner is looking, then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply generous coat of mascara. Next step, I'm highlighting my highest points with the same concealer. And once you look like this, make sure you blend your concealer and then set it all with the powder. And next step, I'm using this Maybelline V blush contour thing for contouring my face. And then I'm contouring my nose as well. Then I'm going to blend it all with the beauty blender. So next I'm using this highlighter and highlighting my highest points. That's obviously on bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin and cheekbones. Then after that I'm coating my lower lashes with mascara. So after that, for lips I'm using this COLORESSENCE lipstick. This is in nude shade. Then I'm going to use this nude eyeliner pencil for my waterline just to open up my eyes. So we are done with this makeup look, and I hope you all liked it, and thank you all so much for watching.